So never when somebody tells you there's a rumor X, Y, and Z is going to happen, don't believe it. By default in crypto, do not believe it. Like this week, I had 3 people tell me that there's a rumor X, Y, and Z is going to happen. I mean, there's a rumor I'll become a billionaire. There's a rumor I'm God. There's a rumor, it's going to rain gold. I mean, prefacing everything with there's a rumor does not mean it's true. I mean, that's how people manipulate the market in crypto, right? When you say there's a rumor, you can make up anything and just say there's a rumor. It's really a hedge so that if it's wrong, you don't look so stupid. And if you're right, you look like a genius, right? So, I mean, I definitely would not put too much weight into anything, especially when it comes to money, investing wise, into rumors, because even when something is true, I mean, even if something ends up being true, you can still be wrong. So I don't think speculating on rumors really makes sense, right? I mean, that's why we strongly believe in being a value investor, investing for the long term, because when you're doing that, you aren't investing on rumors. You're investing on substance based on what you have been able to research and analyze, not based on speculation and what could happen or possibly happen. Because at the end of the day, if somebody were to do an objective analysis on rumors in the crypto space, I would be shocked if 90% of them didn't end up being not true, right? Didn't end up being completely false. Right? If anything, when somebody says that there's a rumor, it's probably a good time to short. I mean, but hey, I myself don't really short, so can't really endorse that. It is risky. That's why being purely just long-based investor makes more sense. But yeah, I mean, don't if you're investing for the long term, do not invest based on rumors. And even if you're investing in the short term, do not invest in rumors, because you have technical analysis to help you with that. TA will invest based on TA if you're investing and speculating purely in the short term, not because some rumor says X, Y, and Z is going to happen, because anybody can go into any random Telegram group on crypto and spread any lie, because you have random people, or just anybody can go on Twitter, make any comment saying a rumor is going to happen because they're trying to pump their own bags. So because of that, don't invest purely on rumors, right? And I think if you do that, you will avoid losing a bunch of money. Don't take no L's. Never take no L's, right? And one of the ways you prevent taking L's is investing in rumors, because if you're investing purely on rumors, that's telling people that, 1, you don't do technical analysis, and 2, you don't do fundamental analysis. So really, you're just gambling. You're gambling with your money. You might as well just light that money on fire, right? Actually, I think I had something for that. Let me see.
You really think someone would do that? Just go on the internet and tell lies?
Yep. I mean, it happens all the...
You really think someone would do that? Just go on the internet and tell lies?
It happens all the time. Happens all the time, especially in crypto, where half of people in the space are anonymous on Twitter, they're anonymous on Telegram, or anybody can just make up any random account, add a fake picture, and post rumors. I mean, even VCs have been known to, not VCs, but institutional investors have been known to do this, right? Where they're trying to pump their own bags. I mean, actually, I should probably not even say this, but I know somebody, or rather, I know a company that has Telegram bots that go into probably, at this point, over 100 different cryptocurrency Telegram groups and measure the sentiment of what's happening in each group. They can track keywords. I think, yeah, they're basically bots, and they can track all of that and plot it with their software, and they can see when something is going positive or negative, and then they can have their, like, either their bots or like their people, like maybe people in like developing countries, go in and comment to flip the sentiment, whether it's positive or negative. It's basically like a bot farm, right? Like we've heard about it being done in Russia with the elections in the US. Well, I mean, I've met a company based in Asia that is kind of doing the same thing with crypto, where they know what's trending in crypto from different Telegram groups, and they can say, oh wow, a project we're working with is negative. Let's go in there and change the sentiment to positive. I mean, I was pretty shocked and blown away by the technology they had. I'm not quite sure exactly how they do it, because I would think if it was bots, you would be able to tell that it was bots. So I think maybe they have bots in the groups that join the group that are just silent and just kind of track the comments, and then maybe once something is going negative, people go in and comment on that. And that's not a rumor, because I've seen the software, the technology. But I think some projects probably even work with them, right? Because obviously they work with projects and also with exchanges. I know lots of exchanges, mainly small ones, have been using their service. But I mean, hey, because of that, don't believe rumors, right? As we said before.
You really think someone would do that? Just go on the internet and tell lies?
Be careful out there.
You know the deal, please don't take the L.
Don't take that L. Never take no L's. But hey, let me know what you think. I mean, are we way off about rumors? I mean, should people just buy the rumor and sell the news? What do you think? Do you think people should just use TA and fundamental analysis and not really depend on rumors when it comes to investing or trading? Let me know down in the comments below.